Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can create custom shape using Pixellab. How you can create custom shape on Pixellab for your designs. So Pixellab does not have that feature that allow you to create custom shape or that allow you to change shapes to different form. But in this tutorial I will show you a trick in which you can use that you can use to create custom shapes like this one you can see on my screen. So without much wasting of time, let's proceed. So I will delete this one. So we'll create a new shape. So the first thing to do is you go to your shape and click on shape here to bring in a shape. So we'll be using this particular shape here, this square shape. So what I want to do for this shape, I want to make the upper right hand side, this side, to be curved, and I also want to make the lower left hand side, which is here, also to be curved, leaving this side to remain sharp the way it is and leaving this side also to be sharp. So to do that, you increase your radius down. So now this is our shape. So what you need to do is to increase the radius. Let's say I want the edge to be curved to I want the radius to be 20. Okay, let's say 25. Okay, 25 is okay. So I will click on OK. So as you can see, the four sides are curved, but this is not what I want. I want just only two sides to be curved, which is the upper part of this right hand side and the lower part. These are the sides I want to be curved, leaving this side and this side to remain sharp. So what I will need to do is I will click on this shape and I'll click on copy. I will copy it, so I'll click on copy. So I want you to pay attention here. This is where the trick is. So when you click on copy, don't touch this shape, don't touch the copied item, don't move it from the position it is. Once you copy it, all you need to do is to come to your tools here and locate edit, which is the first one here, edit. You click on edit. So you see, the moment you click on edit, the copied shape, the shape in which you copy, will return to its original position. It will return to the position of the main shape in which you copy. So what you need to do here, once you click on edit, is to remove the radius, bring the radius back to 0. So once you bring the radius back to 0, then you drag from this side here, from below here, you drag it to this side. I hope you can see what I did here. Then you click on OK. So you can see we have gotten our first side to be sharp, so remain this side below. So what you do is you click on that main shape again, you click on it to copy it again. So you click on copy, then you click edit here to edit it. You click on edit. So once you're done that, you remove the radius also. You bring the radius to 0 to make all the sides to be sharp. Then you drag it from this side, you drag it to this side. Then you click on OK. So as you can see, we now have these two sides to be sharp, and this side are now curved. So Pixellab does not have the feature that will allow you to just make this. So unless you have to use, there are other ways too in which you can achieve this, but this is the most fastest way I know in which you can get this. So there are a lot of kind of shape you can create with this same method. So these shapes now, if you move them, it will scatter because I've not grouped them. So all you need to do is just to group them. So let's undo this. They will go to this side and we'll group all of them together. I hope you all know how to group. If you don't know how to group, then it means you have not been using Pixellab. But if you have been using Pixellab, then you should know how to group objects together. You click on your layers here. So these are your layers. You click below here. Then you select the layers you want to group together, or the objects you want to group together, or the shape. So I want to group everything together. I'll select them and I'll click on this button below here, the middle one here. Then I will click OK. So I've merged them together. So now we have a single shape. So this is how you create this custom shape on Pixellab. So you see this shape you can use this shape on your design to make listing. You can list items on this particular shape and things like that. So let's create something else again. Let's bring in our shape again. So this is another shape. Let's say, for instance, I want to make the first side of this shape to be curved, but in this case I want the right hand side, which is this side. Let me click on OK first. I want this side to be curved, this side to be curved. I also want this side to be curved, but I want here to be more curved, to look more curved compared to this place. Let's say this place, the radius, let's say the radius here is 20 to 25. Then I want here to look to be just let's say 10. So how do we do that? So this is our shape. Let me push this one up a bit and bring this one to the middle. So this is the shape. So first of all, let me edit this shape. I'll go to this edit tool, click on it. So I'll first take my radius to 25, which is the radius for the right hand side. 25 is the radius for my right hand side. That is the radius I want for this side, this particular side and this side. I want their radius to be 25. So I'll click on OK. So now I have the radius for this side remaining for this side. Remember, the first side has equal radius now, but I want this side and this side to have less radius, to look less curved compared to this side. So what do? I'll click on this particular shape and copy, just like we did the first time. So what I will do is I will edit this particular one, which I'll copy. I'll click on edit, but there is a problem here. Why? Because I have moved the object from its initial position. So what do we do now? We have to delete them. We have to delete the both of them. Delete the both of them, and then we start again. So let's go to our shape. Click on shape. So I'll take my radius to 25. 25 is okay. So I'll click on OK. So now what do I do next? I will copy it. Once I copy it, I will edit the copied one. I will click on edit. Once I click on edit, it will go back to its original position. So remember, this side is okay already. This is the side I want to work on, right? So what I will do now is that I will bring my radius to, I want this side is 25 and I want this side to be 10. I want this side to be 10. So I will just bring my radius to 10. So 10. Then I will drag from this side, I will drag down to this side. Then I will click on OK. So you can see we have this. This side is curved, this side is curved. These two sides are also curved, but not compared to this side. If you are not satisfied with the way this side is curved, you can click on this shape here, click on edit and increase the radius. Let's increase to 15 so that the curve will show. So we have 15. I think this is okay. We'll click on OK. So we have this. So all you need to do is just to group them together. You come to your layers. Sorry, we're not using Photoshop. I'm saying layers. Yeah, it's kind of layer like Photoshop. So I'll group the two of them together, this and this. So I'll just merge them together so that to become one shape. So you can see we have this. So you can actually use this for your listing, to list item, and this as well. So let's create one more. Let's create one more before we end the video. Let's say we have this. I want this upper part to be curved and I want this lower part to be curved. It's almost like the first one we did, but it's just the shape, not the same. The first one is a square, why this one is not square. So I'll take it to, let's say, 15. Let me drag it down a bit like this. So we have 15. So I'll click on OK, then I'll copy, then I'll edit, right? I'll remove the radius, then I'll drag from here. Let's drag it this way. Okay, I want to make the lower part curve, but let's make the upper part curve. So I'll just click on OK now. So I have this upper side, so I also want to cover this side now, this upper part here. So I'll click on the main icon again. I'll click on copy, then I will edit it. So what I will do now is I will bring my radius to 0, then I will drag like this. I'll drag like this. So then I'll click on OK. So we have this. So what I will do next is just to group them together, this, and this, and we are good to go. So we have this. So look at what we have. We have this. So this is how you create custom shape on Pixellab. So if you like video like this, if you like this video and you want other videos like this, please kindly subscribe to this channel. This is a new channel. In fact, this is the first video. This will be the first video on this channel. So please subscribe, drop a comment, and turn on the notification bell so that when I'll be dropping next video, you receive the notification, because I'll be dropping tips like this on this channel for those who design with smartphone, those who use Pixellab and some other smartphone design tools. I'll be dropping videos like this. So if you like this video and want other videos like this, please do well to subscribe. I beg, I'm gonna subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.